All right, another creative video here. Ooh, hopefully my phone doesn't fall. All right, so now I have a lot of you freaking out because you don't know how to half 3/4. Chill, my friends, I got you. All right, so let's represent 3/4. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now again, it's always easier to double, so let's double it. If you were in here in class, you would have these. You're not here, so I'm gonna do it for you. A lot of you would immediately go over like this, and you do 3/4 again. So it's like taking a snapshot and then doing the same thing over here. But before you do that and think that it's good, I want you to always try to fill up one before you add to another. So 3/4 doubled, is what we just did, is 1.5 cups. Right, you see that? 1.5 cups. Now let's go back in time again. We know how to double, that's easy, but let's half it. So 3/4 half. In our last video, we again talked about prime numbers. 3 is also a prime number. We cannot half it. So we have to find alternate measurements to do that, alternate ways. And we're not stupid, we're smart. We know that this right here, right, is also a quarter, but this right here is represented in tablespoons. So I'm gonna switch out one of my yellow for a green. All right, it's the same measurement, that's still 1/4 of a cup, because remember, 4 tablespoons equals 1/4 of a cup. All right, but now I have 2 and I have 4, which are not prime numbers. I can break those down easy. All right, so let's start with our 2, because they're our bigger ones. So half of 2 is 1, so I'm gonna take 1 away. Now I'm gonna start with my smaller measurement here. I have 4, half of 4 is 2, and we're gonna take those away. So now we have our answer for half of 3/4 of a cup. You would say it as 1/4 and 2 tablespoons. 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons. Okay. Now, on the other hand, a lot of you are freaking out now because you're like, well, how do I get 1 3/4 cup doubled in half? Guys, we just did the hard part. Let's make it easy, all right? 1 3/4. Here it is represented. Okay. Right, here it is represented. Now, right, I think you can do the doubling. I'm not gonna do the doubling for you, but I'll show you the halving because that's a little more difficult. So easy, we just did this one. How do I switch it out? Again, take out a yellow, replace with my green, right? And then split it in half, take away 1, take away 2. The hard part's done. Now, how do I half 1 cup? Duh, take out 2. Now, again, I'm gonna try and fill up one board before I add to another. Boop, boop. And here is half of 1 3/4 cup. It is 3/4 of a cup and 2 tablespoons. Again, 3/4 of a cup and 2 tablespoons. Good luck, my friends.